school years. During my elementary years, I had to stop attending classes. Why? In our barangay, ang among klase, ang among classroom until grade 4 only. We don't have grade 5. And aside from that, I need to help my family. Akong family, akong mga ginikanan, we are involved into mining. Daghang bulawan sa among lugar. Somewhere in Trinidad, Kauswagan, Trinidad, Bohol, daghang bulawan sa amuha. While students were in school, holding books and pencils, ako in town, lunga would be covered with dirt and hoping na someday makabalik ko ng eskwela. It was a hard time for me as a student because I think that was the end of my career to study, to go back to school. Akong gigamit, instead of holding pens and ball pens or books, I am using mining tools, ang bara, ang pala, maso, and other tools needed for our mining activity. Aside from mining also, naa sa may farming ang among gikabisihan dito sa among lugar. After several years of waiting, finally, na grade 5 nag-open sa among barangay. I was so happy na nagbalik sa eskwela. Imagine, nag-standby ka for 2 or 3 years waiting and hoping na mabot ang time na doon na elementary, grade 5. So, I went back to school. I